TAP is proud to present TapKit, affordable hydroponic business. The TapKit is a revolutionary do-it-yourself kit for microfarming. Our unique NFT hydroponic systems enable year-round production of high-quality leafy vegetables and fresh herbs. You only have to take care of the land preparation, and within less than a month for construction, the greenhouse is ready for planting and producing. And your small business will generate income 6 to 8 weeks later. The entire kit is delivered in a container which contains everything you need, from greenhouse foundation to produce packaging, including a 500 square meter plastic covered tunnel, hydroponic gullies and supporting frame, nursery equipment, irrigation and fertilization system, packing station with refrigeration. A detailed installation manual is included, and our online support with experienced agronomists is there to support you with the installation and operation 24/7. TapKit makes hydroponics accessible to small and medium-sized growers, amateurs and family farm, resorts, schools, community farming, organizational kitchens, and more. For the first time, hydroponic is made super simple to install, operate, and easily produce healthy and clean leafy vegetables and fresh herbs to supply the neighborhood market. So why do you need the TapKit? Because it is a smart business, an affordable investment with a short ROI. Because it is simple and easy. Easy to install, easy to operate, and no experience is needed. Because it is sustainable and it helps our planet. Because it helps people consume healthier, fresher, and safer food that is locally grown. So join us for the hydroponic revolution. TapKit, affordable hydroponic business.